This video is about generator engine fuel pump overhauling. To clean the fuel pump inside the internal parts, replace O-ring, check the internal parts for barrel and plunger, so now remove the circlip. Remove the spring and the flanger. Remove the deflector. Dismantle the delivery valve. Slowly remove the delivery valve to avoid the internal parts is not missing. The spring and the steel ball and the spacer. Dismantle the barrel assembly from the housing. Remove the barrel assembly from the pump housing. Remove the pinion. So after removing all the internal parts of inside the fuel pump, must be thoroughly checked each part and clean, and take care not to allow it to be rusty. So check one by one. Check the spring pressure equalizing valve is not broken. Check if the mating surface of pressure equalizing valve body and barrel are free from blow-by of fuel. Check the flow of sludge stocks in the outer periphery of the flanger. Clean the oil hole of the barrel, the pinion, oil hole of the pump body. If the tip of the deflector is dented or corrosion, replace it with new spare. Check the flanger running surface. Any scratch or burn must be replaced, both barrel and plunger as set, and replace each O-ring with a new one. Reassemble the fuel injection pump in the sequence reverse to this assembly, paying attention to the following of the inside the internal parts must be in place and correct position. And now we have to assemble the fuel pump, and first we have to assemble the delivery valve. So make sure that the delivery valve components is in correct position. The spacer, the spring, the steel ball, and the delivery valve must be fixed in the match mark and the dowel. Fix the delivery valve with a nut and bolts. Assemble the barrel into the pump housing. Fix the bolt together with the guide bolts. Insert the pump rack. Insert the pinion. Set the marks of the racks and pinion. must be queen side. So do not forget to double check the seat marks of the rack and the pinion must be queen side. Double check the seat mark between rack and pinion. Assemble the spring and the flanger. Check the seat marks to be aligned. The rack, the pinion, and the flanger must be aligned. Fix the circlip. Align the opening of circlip with the nuts of the pump body. After reassembling the fuel injection pump, make sure that the rack moves smoothly. Force the flanger guide and move the pump rack that make sure the rack move smoothly. Thank you very much guys for your watching.